In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Microsoft Teams. For many of us, staring at bright screens for long periods can be taxing on the eyes, and enabling dark mode provides a softer alternative that can help reduce eye strain. Plus, it offers a sleek and modern look to your Microsoft Teams interface. So, let's dive into the process of turning on this feature. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Teams. You can do this either on your desktop app or through your web browser by navigating to the Teams app. Once you're inside the Teams hub, look to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll spot your profile picture, along with three horizontal dots beside it. This icon signifies more options, including the settings you need to change themes. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll find the Settings option. Navigate to Settings, and you'll open up a window filled with various categories and options to personalize how Teams works for you. What we're interested in today is the Appearance section. So simply click on Appearance once you're in the Settings menu. Within the Appearance settings, you'll see a subsection labeled Theme. This is where you'll choose the visual style that suits you best. By default, Teams is usually set to a light theme, but switching to dark mode is only a click away. You'll see the option labeled dark with a little moon icon next to it for easy identification. Go ahead and select dark, and instantly you should see a change in your interface as the darker tones take effect. Aside from the standard dark mode, there's also an additional option called high contrast. This is particularly useful if you require accessibility support. High contrast simplifies color schemes to help you see screen elements more clearly if you have specific visual needs. You can switch between these options as you please, so don't worry about being locked into one choice. And there you have it, you've successfully enabled dark mode in Microsoft Teams, creating a more comfortable visual environment for those extended hours of collaboration and meetings. Feel free to toggle between different themes to find the one that's most comfortable for you. Remember, the key here is to make the tool work better and more comfortably for you. I hope you found this guide useful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Have a great day and enjoy using your newly customized Teams environment.